interviewing.
So today we're interviewing weird monkeys.
Some weird ass monkey.
First one, come forward. How?
Okay.
We're gonna wait for you. You stay back there.
Stay back.
Come here. First, how were you born?
So, accidents happen.
Anyway.
Let me do something.
I just.
Why do you look like that?
I'm just. Accidents happen.
Do you have a chiropractor?
Children in the dark make mistakes. Mistakes in the dark make children.
You need one. Now, get out of here.
Oh, wait for him. Hold on.
I don't want
to leave.
Oh no. Taser! Get out of here. Alright, next one. I am bugging like crap. Next one, come forward.
Barbara fucked me up when I was trying to get here.
Exactly.
I was in a taxi and we hit a bump and my Barbara fucked me up.
Get out of here! Get out of here! Okay, come back.
Fucked me up on the way here.
What did your chiropractor do to you?
I don't know. He fucking suplexed me or something, bro. And my doctor, he told me, this is permanent.
How were you born?
Mistakes in the dark make children.
You know what? Get out of here, man! Uppercut.
No.
Everyone come forward. Everyone just... That's it. We are done with this. Yippee. I said get up here, Jamal.
My name's LaShawn Dingle.
Bro, my name is Michael.
Come here, Michael. Alright, that's it. We're gone. Ignore what I just did.
You want children?